A great instructor is the catalyst for adventure. The PSIC Education and Certification Pathway is designed in collaboration with the ski industry to help aspiring and experienced ski pros expand their skills and inspire guests to embrace challenge, fulfillment, and a lifelong passion for skiing. This video series outlines the learning outcomes for each level of the PSIC Professional Ski Instructor Certification Pathway. These outcomes define the required knowledge and skills and serve as the evaluation criteria for certification at each level. All of the learning outcomes represent aspects of the PSIC's educational ecosystem. Throughout the certification pathway, PSIC course participants explore, practice, and refine the foundational concepts that make up our educational ecosystem. These concepts have been carefully designed to be practical and functional to address the needs of real-world working ski pros. These components include the adventure. This defines how we approach what it takes to truly deliver unforgettable mountain experiences. Supporting this is the Adventure Builder, a practical framework for making decisions and consistently delivering fun, safe learning adventures for guests. The method. This highlights the emotional, physical, and intellectual aspects of the human condition that are central to our profession. It reflects how we engage with students on multiple levels, creating experiences that are not only technically sound, but also personally meaningful and deeply human. The technical blueprint is where the sport's technical foundation comes into focus. The blueprint helps instructors understand how everything fits together and guides them in identifying and prioritizing the right strategies for each individual student, based entirely on what that student is aiming to achieve. As you progress through the pathway, understanding and application of these elements in your teaching deepens, and this increased capability is reflected in the learning outcomes tied to each certification level. These foundational concepts are initially introduced through our e-learning platform upon registration, followed by much more in-depth learning during the on-snow courses. The PSIC's approach to developing and evaluating skiing is rooted in keeping the experience fun and expressive, just as it should be, while deepening instructors' understanding of the science behind how skiing works. The goal is to help instructors progressively build the ability to manipulate their skis with intention, based on purpose, terrain, and conditions. We use a range of turn shapes, speeds, and performance levels, what we call the steering spectrum, to help develop skillfulness, confidence, and control on skis. At every stage, participants refine various skill blends to create drifted, steered, and carved turns, as well as combinations of all of these within a single run. This approach accelerates the ability to manage more challenging terrain. Just as importantly, you'll learn how to apply these techniques to support the progress of your snow school guests. Check out the learning outcomes for each level for more detail on what to expect. This is just a snapshot of what you'll experience on the PSIC development journey. All of our programs are built with an education-first approach, including our evaluated courses, which take place within a continuous assessment environment. So every participant walks away with more every time.